Balitang sports naman tayo, kapwa sumikwat ng panalo ang Phoenix Super LPG Fuel Masters at Barangay Ginebra San Miguel para mapanatili ang malinis na record sa PBA Philippine Cup. Para sa kabuuang detalye, narito ang report ni Maria Isabel Reyes. Rise and shine, Maria Isabel!
Nanatili sa ibabaw ng team standings ang Phoenix Super LPG Fuel Masters nang makuha ang ikalawa nitong panalo sa PBA Philippine Cup matapos talunin ng winless Northport Batang Pier 110-105 Huwebes ng gabi sa Angeles University Foundation Arena and Cultural Center. Pinangunahan ni Phoenix forward Jason Perkins ang opensa ng Super LPG matapos mag-record ng career-high 31 points sa likod ng 4 of 7 3-point field goal shooting na dinagdagan pa ng 12 rebounds. Nagpatuloy rin ang mainit na shooting ni Fuel Masters guard Matthew Wright na nagsumite naman ngayon ng 23 markers, 7 boards at 9 assists. Idagdag pa ang 17 points ni center Justin Chua na mayroong ding 3 3-point conversions.
It's just a blessing for us to really given an opportunity to grow. We expected that it's gonna be a tough battle. We know that they're gonna look at Matthew, and Matthew knows that this is the best opportunity for him to build trust. You know, trust means that he's always gonna look for his open teammates and trusting that his open teammates will score. And I guess that's the beauty of this team right now.
Nakaabante rin sa taas ng team standings ang Barangay Ginebra San Miguel kasalo ang Fuel Masters at TNT Tropang Giga. Matapos masungkit ang ikalawang panalo 103-99 kontra Blackwater Elite. Sa kakulangan ng produksyon mula kina big men Jody Vance at Japet Aguilar na mayroon lamang 14 combined points, nag-step up para sa Ginebra si center Prince Caperal na tumikada ng 24 points at 6 rebounds sa 4 of 7 3-point field goal shooting. Nakuha ng Elite ang kalamangan sa pagsisimula ng fourth quarter matapos magbuhos ng 39 points sa third quarter. Pero sa pamamagitan ng clutch baskets ni Ginebra guards Stanley Pringle at Scotty Thompson, nagawa ng Ginebra na maitakas ang dikit na panalo.
We knew it was going to be tough. We know every game is going to be tough here because we're not at our best, but we're still playing extremely hard. We're still getting up and down the floor. We're still defending the best we can. But we still think that we have room to grow and get better. And, you know, our team is all about habits. And, you know, we just don't have the habits after a layoff of 6 months.
Maghaharap ang Terra Firma Jeep at Rainier Shine Elasto Painters ngayong alas 4 ng hapon para sa unang salpukan. Habang lalaro naman sa ikalawang kartada ang San Miguel Beermen at TNT Tropang Giga alas 6:45 ng hapon. Para sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas, Maria Isabel Reyes.